I run out of shredded cheese, I'll buy a whole bag of shredded cheese, divide it out in my freezer. I divide the package by 4, and I always have shredded cheese. Now, if you wanna shred your own, buy a block of cheese, shred it up, put it in baggies, and you have that ready. But you're not having like some meal plans, you're not having to cook for hours to replenish your freezer. You just cook or chop what you've run out of. Once I run out of onions, I buy a whole bag of onions. I chop all those onions and put them in my freezer. And I'm not chopping all the onions, all the broccoli, and all the zucchini all in one day. I make it super, super easy. I'm never going to cook more than one meat in a day, and I'm never going to cook too many vegetables in one day unless I can put broccoli and zucchini on a sheet pan, stick it in the oven, or my husband brought